Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the network stable and discoverable. Connect your receiver and the DLNA source to the same LAN. Wired is best, but Wi-Fi works if signal is strong. Once done, enable DLNA or UPnP on the sending device and mark the folders you want to share so the receiver can index them. Make sure to use a reserved DHCP lease or a static IP to prevent address changes that break discovery. This reduces intermittent disconnects and speeds up initial scans. Next, you configure the receiver to find the server and play content. In the receiver menu, choose the network or media input and activate DLNA/UPnP client mode so it actively searches. Then trigger a server scan or refresh and watch until the library finishes indexing. Partial lists cause missing files. If your receiver supports format preferences or on-the-fly transcoding, set those now to avoid codec mismatches. Once the server appears, test a short file to confirm smooth playback and correct. Finally, you start actual playback and optimize behavior. Play sample music, photos, and video so you can spot stutter, audio glitches, or subtitle failures. Adjust receiver decoding or enable server transcoding as needed. If performance lags, prioritize traffic with CoS, switch to wired, or tweak MTU settings to reduce packet loss. Once done, update firmware on receiver and server. If discovery or playback fails, restart both devices, clear the server's cache, and check that any firewall or antivirus allows DLNA.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.